Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from TD Ameritrade with direct deposit setup, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your TD Ameritrade account using your credentials. Navigate to the main menu and select the My Account tab. In the drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Withdraw. Click on Withdraw to access the withdrawal options page. Next, you will see different withdrawal methods. Choose Electronic Transfer to initiate a direct deposit. Ensure that you have already set up your bank account for direct deposit. If you haven't set up your bank account yet, follow the prompts to do so. Once your bank account is validated, return to the Withdrawal Options page. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw from your TD Ameritrade account. Double-check that the amount entered is correct. Select the bank account you want the funds to be transferred to. Review your withdrawal request to ensure all the details are accurate. Confirm the withdrawal by clicking the Submit button. Wait for a confirmation message indicating your withdrawal request has been processed. Check your email for any notifications regarding your withdrawal status. Keep an eye on your bank account to track when the funds arrive. If you encounter any issues, refer to the TD Ameritrade help section or contact customer support. Your withdrawal should typically take 1 to 3 business days to process. Make sure to retain any reference numbers or confirmation emails for your records. Following these steps will ensure a smooth withdrawal process from TD Ameritrade. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.